Meaning of grazing.
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 Grazing. Grazing refers to the act of animals, usually livestock, feeding on grass or other vegetation. This activity is typically practiced in pastures or meadows, where animals are allowed to roam freely and feed on the natural vegetation. Grazing is a crucial activity for the welfare of livestock, as it provides them with the necessary nutrients and energy to sustain their growth and health. Additionally, grazing can also help maintain the biodiversity of the ecosystem and prevent soil erosion. Overall, grazing is an essential practice for farmers and ranchers who rely on livestock for their livelihoods.